What's up, yo? 1 second, don't shoot.
Let it roll 1 second. Just roll.
So pretty. Super sexy.
Well, thank you.
Super sexy was the
Thank you,
word.
thank you. I just think कि एक एक्टर होने के नाते बहुत ज़रूरी होता है just to be able to experiment and to be able to do different things all the time. और जब मुझे ये किरदार मिला तो बहुत ही एक it had to be effortless and at the same time sexy and it had to be a career woman. तो short hair was the way to go और हमने बहुत सोचा कि हम करें ना करें और बहुत बड़ी रिस्क ली और यहाँ पे लिखा है जो आदमी रिस्क नहीं लेता उसका सब कुछ रिस्की हो जाता है. आई थिंक सबसे बड़ी रिस्क जो मैंने ली थी वो अपने बाल काटने की थी एंड आई एम ग्लैड दैट पीपल आर लाइकिंग इट. आई एम मिसिंग माय हेयर बट आई एम ग्लैड पीपल आर लाइकिंग.
But you're looking super stunning.
Thank you so much. I'm flattered.
रश की बात करें तो क्या किरदार प्ले कर रही है आप?
मेरे किरदार का नाम है लीज़ा और मैं एक मीडिया टाइकून हूँ और I run an office which is full of people who are ambitious, whether it's from the reporting side or whether it's from the side of just getting your TRPs up. एक certain sense of understanding होती है news और news channels के बारे में कि वो they want to make sure that the news is heard. एक और बहुत ज़रूरी aspect होता है to make it sensational and वो कैसे करें is something that Lisa is very good at and she knows how to make her news very very sensational. Hiring a very capable, intelligent, hot and sexy reporter like Imran Hashmi is one of the steps to it.
कितना रिसर्च करना पड़ा इस किरदार के लिए? आपने कितने प्रिपरेशंस की apart from chopping your hair of course?
Well, I think बहुत एक काफ़ी एक्सपीरियंस आ जाता है जब आप मीडिया के साथ इतने क्लोजली इंटरेक्ट करते हैं. टू बी एबल टू इंटरेक्ट विद मीडिया इज नॉट समथिंग दैट जो मैं पहली बार कर रही थी. टू sort of understand how somebody who's ambitious and works in an office space is something that came to me a bit naturally and I kind of according to the director had a certain attitude for it and we did a few script readings or jab we went on set I was just doing Lisa's part and I hope I've done a good job at it.
Neha, in every field you have a number of people who have made up their mark. You are today known as a style icon. So what would you like to say about it?
I think being stylish is something that should come naturally. I never thought that I want to become a style icon and everybody should follow me or my style tips. For me, the most important thing is to be able to just look confident and comfortable in whatever I'm wearing and I'm just glad that women young and old like my style and they like the way I dress and it's very flattering. I remember I was in Pune 2-3 days ago and a girl who came running into the lobby and she's like, I love your films, I love your clothes, I love your clothes, and I was just like, okay, that's very sweet. So it's very nice that girls who come out of college are running up to you and they say that they like your style a lot. And in today's day and age, everyone's so stylish, so it's a very competitive space to be in, whatever you do.
Talking about another field, Mrs. Sachin has been considered as an icon. What is the one thing or anything you like about Mrs. Sachin Tendulkar?
What do I like about? I think the fact that he comes across as someone who's extremely talented. Of course, there's no other way that he can be an icon. But most importantly, the fact that there's so much humility in the man is what makes him special.
नेहा काफी एक्सपेरिमेंट्स कर रही है आप अपने रोल्स के साथ. ये जो आपका फेस है, with Maximum you're like a typical Indian. Now you like so stunning and stylish and sexy. So इस फेस को क्या कहना चाहेंगे? Would you call it your experimental phase or what are you up to exactly?
What am I up to? Even I don't know. It's not like मतलब मैं ये कभी सोचती नहीं हूँ कि मैं अब इस चीज़ के बारे में या मैं एक्सपेरिमेंट करूँगी और मैं सोचूंगी कि I'm not going to be able to do something else. I think एक एक्टर होने के नाते just to be able to try and do different looks is something that everyone should do, not only me. बहुत सारी actresses हैं who get accepted the way they look and from their first film to their 20th film they look the same, which is great. It's a very big it's a matter of honor to get accepted just the way you look. At the same time, people like the fact that I experiment and it comes with a little bit of pressure because the next question is, so what are you going to do next? I don't know what I'm going to do next, but all I'm going to do next is to make sure I do a good job.
रश की बात करें, co-star इमरान हाशमी है, पहली बार काम करे, how was it working with him?
Working with Imran is fabulous. जितना भी उनके बारे में कहूँ वो कम है. जिस तरह की उनकी image on screen है उससे बिल्कुल opposite हैं. He's a little boy at heart. He's full of fun. He's very mischievous on the set and एक तरह की उनकी एक prerequisite होती है films की where it's a lot of there's a lot of thrill, there's great music, there is a bunch of good-looking people around him, and he comes across as being slightly mischievous. We've done all of that to make sure that everyone rushes to the cinema halls to see Rush, and I hope that the film does well.
काफी intimate scenes भी किए हैं आपने इमरान के साथ, तो कितना comfortable रहा,
Comfort and discomfort is not defined by how intimate your scenes are. It's just defined by what the circumstances around है. कई बार होता है कि अच्छा चलो hurry up, get close, light जा रही है या फिर जल्दी करो, actor की flight है. It's just all that. You don't actually take these scenes back home or you don't think about it at all. You're just doing your job because Lisa and Sam are supposed to be like that and not because Imran and Neha are supposed to be like that.
नेहा मीडिया की बात करें तो every morning you must be reading newspapers. तो ऐसा कौन सा आप पर ऐसी कौन सी न्यूज़ है जो आपको you feel like these people have gone mad, this is completely untrue, this is a rumor?
News about me or news about someone else?
News about you.
How much you feel is the news is authentic?
I think pictures speak a lot, and there are a lot of photographs that we see, and there's no running away from it. It is the truth, but till the time there are no photographs to justify what is being written, I never believe it. That's one. And secondly, I just feel that people who go in and out of hospitals should be really spared. Like whether someone's falling ill or someone's standing or staying next to a loved one, or if women are getting pregnant and going inside the hospital, they should really be spared in the media.
Okay, thank you.
Lastly, क्या कहना चाहेंगे audience को क्यों जाए? Why should they spend like $200 to go watch Rush?
Why should they spend $200? I think that they should spend more than $200 to go and watch Rush. Not only go alone, but take your girlfriend, your boyfriend, your family members, your parents to all go and watch Rush. Why should they go and watch it? It's thrilling, it's entertaining, it's got great music, it's got Sagarika, Aditya, it's got me, and for the love of cinema, it's got Imran Hashmi, who's having the best phase of his career, and people have loved him over and over and over again.
And lastly, what's happening with Julie Part 2?
I don't know what's happening. I was offered the part, but I turned it down.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. To go my flight.
2 to 3 minutes.
3.
How many more are left?
3.
Come, let's finish it. Sorry to rush you. My flight is preponed.
Okay.
Come.
तुम 14 सवाल पूछ रहे थे, कैमरा छीन लेगी, याद है?